This section was all shot ProRes log here, 4K 60, and then I switched it to 30 frames a second here, so you got the slow-mo. What's great here is that I found an easy, free LUT to be able to get this really cool look as I'm just shooting around my house. I'm zooming from 1x to 2x, all the way up to 5x, and even zooming out on the 0.5x. So you can see it looks really good and sleek. I really like the LiteChaser Pro as it does really well in these types of cinematic shots. This is all shot on the Mist VND 3-5, which I really love, especially when you see it here haloing from the sunlight and even on my face. It just looks really nice. This was kind of a fun shot that I've been trying to hit, where I have it at the 1x and then I zoom all the way up to 15x, which is really close to my face, and then zoom all the way back out to 0.5x. During Christmas time, we went to Salt Lake City here and we looked at the lights, and I was using the LiteChaser Pro with the 3-5 VND, Mist VND, and it just looks beautiful. As you can see the haloing of all the lights, it gives you that really cool diffusion even as I zoom in and zoom out. What's great here is I have full function of all of the iPhone lenses, including punching into 2x, I can punch into 5x, I can even zoom out to the ultra wide at 0.5. It just looks fantastic here, as you can see the haloing of all of these Christmas lights as I walk around. What's great here being able to walk around with the grip and Bluetooth shutter is I can go ahead and run and gun, and I can take these shots as I go. It just looks phenomenal here. Since the filter covers the entire lens profile, you can go ahead and switch from lens to lens with no issue, and still getting some really good highlights and lowlights and not having things blown out too much, even though you've got a high diffuser. Here's a shot of me and what it looks like. I've got the wrist grip, I've got the shutter button. You can see that I've got the diffusion on.